this.
What's going on?
What's going on?
Tucker, do you know what we're doing? What are we doing?
Driving in a car.
Where are we going in the car?
We're going to Disney.
We're going to Disney World! Woohoo! Are you excited? Are you excited, maybe, Kate? Say hey.
Hey guys. Bruce got my popsicle and lots of meat.
We're loaded up and ready to go to Disney World, so we'll check back in later.
So, right here, Reeces.
Reese's at Reese's. See ya. What are you guys doing?
The guy going.
What are you doing?
Look.
What you doing? Oh, Mama's over there? You wanna show Mama? Sure is. That's also where the animals poop and pee. What is that, Tucker? Did you see it? Tucker, we made it. Say, hey guys, we made it to Magic Kingdom. We look a little silly right now with ponchos because Hurricane Milton is approaching and it's rainy. But we made it. So here we go. What do you think so far, buddy? Thank you. What are you doing, Mabry?
I want to take this off.
Come on in. You guys are going to wait here for the phone section. Are you too?
Nope. Mabry, you ready? Who's that? Is that Mickey? Yeah. Whoa! All right, go over there. Follow Bubba. Follow Bubba. Keep going. Keep going. Who is that? It's almost your turn, Mabry. You gotta hold Bubba's hand. Hold his hand. Peeking around. Mabry, it's your turn. Come on, sis. Come on, sis. Hold Bubba's hand.
He wants to talk to you. Sure. Goofy and Pluto and it's Mickey. Oh, it's you. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Say, Mickey, will you sign your book? We would love to sign your book. You want to open it up? Right, the first one. Oh my goodness, Mickey's the first one to sign your book. Hold your book.
It's okay. It's okay.
Give it to me.
You see Mickey? You see him? Oh, you see him there.
Goodness sakes. See Mickey's crystal ball? How Mickey Mouse? Say, can you sign Sissy's book? Yeah. Thank you, Mickey. Thank you. And our kin. You want to give them hugs? You can be brave. It's just Mickey Mouse.
There you go.
Oh, that's so sweet. Should we take a picture with him? Let's take a picture with him. Maybe you can take a picture.
There you go. Where you're at Mickey's camera on TV? There you go.
Hey, good job.
Do you want to do it all together? Sure.
What is that? A spinner? Ooh, that's cool. Let's play some drums. Ready? All right, Tucker, we're going. We gotta keep up. Oh, we're moving. Rachel, face reveal. Who are you?
I'm Rachel.
What do you do?
I work at Galaxy's Edge Attraction.
So what are you doing with us?
I'm your friend.
Nice. And you're basically our guide while we're here?
Yeah, VIP tour guide, unofficial.
Thanks.
Yes.
Say hey. Come on, Mabry. Mabry, this way. All right, keep moving. Keep going, guys. Hey, Mabry.
Oh, yes, yes. As I was saying, my Aunt Clara went to visit her cousin. Now, the cousin was...
Where are we?
Gathered together to say...
Yay!
Look, we got other things really cool drives. I think it's so much fun. Hey. We play on the swimmer. It's dark. It rained, guys. Maybe it was raining up there and see this rain. And we saw the bar section and the roller this the Mabry cry. So Mr. Reeces.
Excuse me, sir. I think you're lost. Sir. Bye, squirrel. Tucker, what do you think his name is? What do you think the squirrel's name is? He went in his home. What do you think his name is? His name's Mr. Squirrel. Silly squirrel.
Bye-bye off the tree and he's crawling. So, where's the Reeces?
Hey, maybe girl. Oh my goodness.
Hope you're having a good time. Make sure you get lots of treats. It's really not so scary. That's a great
Here he comes.
And you too. Happy harvest, happy harvest, happy Halloween. Swing your partner, don't
Hey,
you know? Harvest Hoedown, here we go. Dancing scarecrows, one to go.
Hey, chicken.
That's from the movie.
Oh, they are from a movie. You're right.
And Sally singing on another movie.
Yeah, are they from a Halloween movie or a Christmas movie?
It's called Not for Christmas.
So both, right?
It's called Not for
The Nightmare Before Christmas?
Yeah.
You're right. Who's your favorite from them?
That's so good.
I have 6 in this party. There you go. Right this way. I hope you have fun with Jack Skellington. Let's go. Bye.
Alright, we're gonna do a hard turn.
A hard turn.
Alright, friends, we're gonna scoot all the way in as much as we can. Come closer, this way.
We're about to go up to him, but do you see him right now?
Yeah.
It's Jack Skellington.
Who is that?
It's Jack.
It's Jack. Mabry, do you see them?
See Jack and Sally?
You gotta be quiet.
There he is.
You see Jack? Man, you're drawing Jack. Tucker, look who's next to you. Oh,
Oh, look at Jack's face.
Happy Halloween to you all. You all look quite dreadful, I must say.
Boo boo.
Join us.
Oh, you got a boo-boo. Are you telling them about your boo-boo?
Was it from the forest?
This is Tucker. He
Why,
loves
hello, Tucker. It's wonderful to see you today.
Are you showing him your boo-boo?
You have a boo-boo.
Yeah.
Wonderful news. What happened?
I dyed this color, rolled up, and red.
You fell. Oh, what a wonderful surprise, I must say. Perhaps it was a scare just in time for Halloween.
Yeah, ant bites.
Ant bites.
Yes.
Oh, what must be one of Oogie's bugs, I will say. Do you know how to take care of Oogie's bugs when they come by? First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna stop, and then you're gonna spit. You're gonna swipe it off when you're done.
And then you
Eat it for a snack.
Absolutely.
Deer on her tongue.
He was saying I have ant bites on my toes.
Oh, you have ant bites on your
I would do the
toes.
same
It seems to me
thing.
that Oogie's bugs are everywhere.
They are everywhere.
They are. Tucker, do you want to take a picture?
Sounds like a dreadful idea, doesn't it?
say yes, please.
Indeed.
Maybe. Come here, buddy. Say cheese. Say bye-bye, Jack.
Bye-bye, Jack.
Turkey is so good.
Tucker, what just happened? What did you see?
I saw Jack.
You saw Jack Skellington? What did you tell him? You told him about the Oogie Boogie Boo Boo. The Oogie Boogie Bugs bit you. Was that so cool? Did you see Jack?